Mr. Gupta, good morning. Thank you for joining us. You've given a guidance of 1800 crore for next year. That means a 65% growth. That's impressive. What gives you the confidence of achieving a 65% growth? Because 1800 crore is a very large base.
Yeah, good morning, and thank you for having me here. The guidance that we are given for 1800 crores is based on certain business commitments that we have from our clients. We are already expanding our capacities and capabilities in terms of our product business, where we are already a significant player in air conditioners as well as in washing machine category. So we are trying to solidify further on that, and the current order book looks very strong, very healthy, and we are confident of achieving this milestone.
Okay, your product business has done significantly well, and you expect this segment, I understand, to show very strong growth in future as well. Are you, as a result, intending to then diversify more into this segment and perhaps exit low margin TV and electronics business?
So product business has been under focus for us for last few years, around 5-6 years, and we are trying to build further on that. We have got good traction, we have got good commitments from our clients, and we are looking at very good response. We have in fact launched our air conditioners in our ODM category in the first year, this year only, and we have been able to tap at least 7 large clients for AC business. Similarly, in washing machine business also, we have been able to do good. We have been able to tie up with quite a few new brands in the FY22, and we are expanding our capacities both in washing machines and air conditioners.
Okay, so help me understand your capex for FY23. Will it be in the range of 130 to 140 crore rupees, and where will then the total capacity stand by the end of the next year, segment-wise, if you could give me details?
So we have already given a guidance of a capex of almost around 130 to 140 crores. The most of this capex will be focused on expanding our capacities and capabilities in washing machine and in air conditioner business. So if you look at segment-wise, we will be putting in almost around 65 to 75 crores in AC business to expand our capacities there. And after that expansion, our overall monthly capacity in AC business will be almost around 200,000 indoor units, as well as and around 100,000 or 90,000 pieces of outdoor units for split ACs. In terms of washing machines, we will be investing almost around 35-40 crores there as well. And after that expansion, our capacity should be in the range of around 1.2 to 1.5 million washing machines in a year.
Good morning. We've been seeing how your stock has been performing over the last couple of days, the way it has zoomed up, and it has zoomed up primarily on the back of higher volumes. So the question I also want to ask you is, when you're talking about the future capex plans, and based on what we saw earlier with volumes, does it mean the company is not expecting a big dent or much dent as far as demand goes because of inflation?
So please understand, I think with the current policy intervention that has been taken up by the government to increase the interest rates, and everybody is trying to focus on how to cool down the commodity prices. So looking forward, I think in coming 2 or 3 quarters, the commodity prices should come down, and the challenge regarding the cost should be normalized in the coming 5-6 months time. So we are hopeful that we should be able to achieve the revenue guidance that we have given to everyone.
Okay, I will ask you at one point whether how often you see your share price, because the share price is up nearly 55% if I were to just see the last 6 months. So you're not expecting a big dent on demand. Your volumes are of course going up. You've also been a beneficiary of one of the PLI schemes. How important is that, and are your investments on track?
So please understand, when we started focusing on AC manufacturing, so PLI scheme was one of the big motivating factors for us to invest in a greenfield AC manufacturing plant. So we have just recently set up a most backward integrated AC manufacturing plant in state of Maharashtra, where we are doing complete in-house manufacturing of plastic molded components. painted and unpainted sheet metal components, heat exchangers, cross-flow fans, and we are in process of setting up AC controller lines with SMT lines also as well. So we are very confident that the kind of tailwind that is coming to this sector, the demand is going to remain robust, and there is a lot of conversion of imports to local manufacturing. So that will provide a lot of impetus to the local manufacturing and for the players like us.
What about the debt? Because you clearly have plans, you're sticking to your Capex programs, you're setting up greenfield projects as well. The debt level that you have on your books, and till what level will you be comfortable?
So please understand, the current Capex cycle, which we have marked for FY23, will be largely funded through internal accruals. We might be taking some small amount of debt to fund it, but mostly it will be coming through internal accruals.
So you've entered AC manufacturing. You, of course, has a place in other consumer electronics. India is trying to become Atmanirbhar, move supply chains and supply chain solutions to India as well. Are you looking at new categories?
So currently we'll be focusing more on washing machines. We are already expanding our capacities in washing machines and air conditioners. TV is one business that we have re-entered after a span of around 6-7 years. So TV will also, we are trying to make it a significant portion of our revenue in coming years. So right now our focus will be on largely these three product categories.
Right, Mr. Gupta, great to have you on the show. Thank you so much for taking the time out and speaking with us. Let's move on, and here's an ET Now news break confirmed. We told you last evening that Bata India promoters are looking to sell 2.8% stake in the company. In fact,